Welcome to our today's anatomy class. In our today's class, we'll be looking at the basal ganglia. The basal ganglia is also called the basal nuclei. Now, what is the basal ganglia? The basal ganglia is a group of cell bodies of neurons lying deep within the brain. Now, every neuron has a cell body. So if these are neurons, these are the cell bodies. This is a cell body of this neuron, this is a cell body. This CV, this is a cell body of this neuron. This is the axon of the neuron. So when you have a group of cell body, we call it nuclei or ganglia. So within the cerebral hemisphere, we have this group of cell bodies of neurons known as the basal ganglia. The basal ganglia act as relay stations, and it is connected with different parts of the brain. The basal ganglia primarily controls voluntary movements in the human body. It's the center for motor control. It's the center for motor control. So what are the components of the basal ganglia? What are those things? What are those structures that come together to form the basal ganglia? Components. One, we have what we call the caudate. We have the caudate nucleus. We have the putamen. We have the substantia nigra. We have the substantia nigra. We have the subthalamic nuclei. Then we now have what we call the globus pallidus. Globus pallidus. These are the 5 structures that come together to form the basal ganglia. The caudate nucleus and the putamen form what we call the striatum. The striatum. The substantia nigra produce a neurotransmitter called what? Dopamine. Dopamine. So these components come together to form this basal ganglia that controls movements in the human body. Now, what are the primary functions of this basal ganglia? The primary functions of the basal ganglia is it controls voluntary, that means it controls voluntary movements. It controls voluntary movements. Control voluntary movements. Another thing again is that it initiates and executes precise movements. It also play a role in also coordinates posture. It also coordinates posture. So the basal ganglia does not control movement directly. Rather, it controls the motor areas of the cerebral cortex. It directs the cerebrum on what to do. It directs the cerebrum to decide on either to carry out a movement or not to carry out a movement. So if the basal ganglia does not activate motor areas in the cerebrum, it's really difficult for coordinated movement to take place. So it also initiates and executes precise movement. So as somebody with an active basal ganglia, you can close your eye and move or pick some and move without even falling down. You can pick something with precision. You can pick a pin from the ground with precision because of our active basal ganglia. So precise movement is controlled by the basal ganglia. So it also controls posture. When the basal ganglia is damaged, movement becomes clumsy, uncoordinated. You'll be moving and you'll be falling, you'll not be able to control movement that you naturally supposed to control. Now, what is the applied anatomy of this basal ganglia? What is the applied anatomy? What is the applied anatomy? Applied anatomy of the basal ganglia. The applied anatomy of the basal ganglia is what we call Parkinson's disease. So Parkinson's disease is the applied anatomy right here. Parkinson's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder that occurs as a result of degeneration, that means the death of dopaminergic neuron in the substantia nigra of the basal ganglia. So when the substantia nigra, when the dopaminergic neuron in the substantia nigra becomes damaged, when they begin to die, it will result to this motor associated disorder called Parkinson's disease. Now, people with Parkinson's disease have issue with controlling voluntary movement. Movement in them is uncoordinated. Movement in them is what? Is uncoordinated. They have tremor, they have ballistic movement, they don't have control over normal voluntary movement that is seen in others. So this is how far we'll be going with our class on basal ganglia. I look forward to seeing you in my next class where we discuss more vital structures of the nervous system. My name is Simon. I am your anatomy educator. Thanks for attending our today's class.